Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to show you some of the meal planning ideas that I do on a weekend so that it saves a lot of time on the weekdays. Instead of doing from the scratch, we need all of them to make all our curries in the morning time, but by doing in the weekends it saves our time. So let's see what are they and how I do them. One of the item I will make on the weekends or any free time is making ghee. The cubes I will buy it from the Costco and I will put them on the stove to make it melt into the ghee. So once it is melted, we can store them in the glass container and it will stay for 15 to 20 days. If you have this readily, you can serve it with the dal rice or idli or anything. So this is a make ahead item, so it also needs some time. So if you make ahead, it will be useful, it will save you some time. One of the most important thing is filling the groceries. If you are out of some item on the middle of some cooking, it is a time waste and we need to search for the item. So instead of that, I will be seeing what are the things need to be refilled and I will be refilling it. Today I am refilling it with urad dal and some chili powder and some sugar. So it varies on the week to week, and where whatever is less we can pour them down and fill all the groceries and ready for the next day cooking. This saves a lot of time. One of the things I do on the weekends is the soaking dals or lentils. Here I am soaking 1 cup of chana dal in one bowl and 1 cup of moong dal in another bowl. So if you soak them, it will take some time and then later on we can pressure cook them, and I am going to freeze them in the freezer. So these cooked chana dal will be useful to make samosa chaat or in chana dal curry. So in this way this will be useful. And in the same way I am soaking the moong dal to make the sprouts. This can be made as a snack, so it's a very good snack option. One more thing is to make the curd. To make the curd, I am boiling the milk in the pressure cooker, so I am filling the water in the pressure cooker. Afterwards we can use the pressure cooker so that the milk will not be boiled down. So we can heat them up in the cooker. Once it is heated up, so we can cool them down and make them as curd, and you can keep it in fridge, so that will be sufficient for a week. To heat the milk, I am using the milk pressure cooker. So by using this, the milk will not be burnt down on the bottom. So by using this, after the milk is boiled, I am storing in the pyrex bowl and let it cool down for 1 or 2 minutes. After, when it is right temperature, I am mixing it with the curd to make this curd again. After it is done, we can store it in the fridge. This is the one more item I do on the weekends, one tamarind paste. So it is easy to make. These are the tamarind pieces. I cut them into small pieces, and then I am adding water into here. I'm adding lot of salt because it needs to be stored for a long time, and afterwards I'm boiling it in the small pan for a long, like 10 to 15 minutes, and leave it aside. So afterwards it is boiling nicely. Then I am going to grind it in the mixie jar. I have already shared this recipe in my video. I have been doing it from a long time. This can be useful in making the sambar, in any pickle or any other item. So, and also it will stay longer for some time. So after the it is mixed, it is becoming like thin, and now I am storing in a glass container. It is ready to use, so it will stay for 10 to 15 days. This is the curry chili powder that I make on the weekends. So I am using this chili powder in almost all the curries. So let's see how to do that. So in a small mixie jar I am adding the garlic cloves and cumin seeds along with some curry leaves and salt together, and then I am going to blend them all together, and later on I am going to mix it with the chili powder. Initially I am grinding it separately, and then I am mixing it with the chili powder so that there will be no lumps. Instead of using the chili powder, I am adding this. It is healthy and very nice smell. So if you store them in airtight container, it will last for 10 to 15 days. So I will be using the curry powder in all of the curries. These are all the few things that I cook in the kitchen in a weekend, so that it saves my time in the weekdays. So if you like this video, please subscribe for many more these kind of videos, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.